Day 2. But again, hi. Let's talk our kadwa others. Let's eat too. Hi, ate. Good morning. So let's go to the kitchen. Hi sis.
Good morning.
She's the cook for this morning.
Yeah.
So, what are you cooking?
I will fry the rice and pancit canton.
Oh, wow.
And, yeah,
Alam mo yung mga babakyut,
I'm boiling
pinatawag lang suda.
the egg. They
Tinatawag.
are not responsive.
Yeah, but I will try again. Bye! Cook well!
Bye. Thanks, Dee.
Oh, wala. Short. So, time check po natin. It's already 6:50 in the AM. Yet, di pa sila nagigising si Natita. Di pa sila nagigising. So, ayun, tinatawagan ko sila kasi magko-item together kami. Yeah. So, let's wait for their response. So, since hindi sila nag-respond, let's call Kulay. Anak ni Tita Sunny. Kulay, please answer my call. So, ayan, nagka-quiet time together na kami. with Tita Lalet, Tita Sunny, and Tita Ette. Mga 1 hour kami nagka-quiet time. So, after quiet time together namin, nag-breakfast na ako and naghugas ng pinggan. So, ayun, tapos na natin. Let's put this. Ngayong ko apo. Siya klatag po nasin. Andito ate? Temperature? Ha? 5 ate.
Picture na?
Han ate, naka-video. Nag-vlog na. Han ate. So, ano pong gagawin natin ngayon?
Magpapaano tayo ng
Temperature?
temperature.
Yeah. So, yun. Yay! Oh, mariiri na. Adalang mariiri na kaniya. Sorry. Alam, marikrik na. Wala na akong feelings. Ate. Hi, Bebang. Good morning. Hi. Say hi, Bebang. Kamusta ka na ngayon, girl?
Ada pa may sa test.
Ate.
Hi.
Bebang is fasting for about 2
Hanyo i-temperature ni Bebang. Tita ni Bebang, te asume. Hanya. Hi, Sepangers. Good morning.
morning.
You're so... Wow. What can you say about our day 2?
Say meow.
Kasi meow. What?
Oh. I press stop.
So, yun. Obedient talaga siya.
Hey. Oh my god.
Click and this method. So, ayan guys. Ngayon, since ako yung maglilinis dito sa salas, naka-skate ako ngayon. Dito sa salas, let's... Susuluhin ko. Tanggalin ko. Do you want this one? Carpet? Yeah. Carpet. Yeah. Bigar. Ate, lang agad siya. Saan na nilito ka? Sige, ate. Ang good. Ang good naman.
Are you gonna wash the carpet?
No, I'm not gonna wash.
You're just gonna hang it.
Hang it here. And then, I'll do some
Labaing.
washing of my clothes. So, bibilangin po natin kung ilan yung clothes na i-wash ko. 1,
So the number is clothes is equal to the number of hanger to be
3,
used.
So, ganito po yung water dito sa batak. Hindi gaano malakas. And we use Breeze for our sabon and Downy naman for our popcorn. So, yan. Oh, lambuhalang labahin. Okay.
As in a general, as one ng personal nila. Kasi hindi have to have other.
Let's call our sister.
Hi! Hi sis! Good morning! At the same time, Papa. Ate Annie. As in. Kaaway deta, di ba? Awan to man na umakanto man. So, ready time.
Hi guys, so right now we're... Joseph, why are you there? What are you doing there? Parang kang pulubing pusa.
Pusang gala.
Yeah.
So yun guys, nagkakatay, ay joke. Naglilinis po kami ng, what do you call this one?
Kan.
It's tilapia. The English of tilapia is...
What?
What?
Oh. Ay!
Bebang, hello.
Dati sa atak ka lang.